Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through Emotion Faces Worksheets. Emotion Faces Worksheets are ideal to help clients, especially children, better recognize and understand emotions. Clients can improve interpersonal relationships and develop improved communication skills. These worksheets contain 4 emotion spaces for clients to both identify and draw what they are feeling. These worksheets are highly versatile and can be used by psychologists, therapists, teachers, social workers, child and family counsellors, and more. To use these worksheets, the first step that you need to do is download the PDF. You can access the PDFs for free via our website and our app. Once downloaded, you'll then need to distribute the worksheet to your client. Ideally, you complete this worksheet with your client during your appointment sessions for the best results. Make sure that they complete all sections with relevant drawings and identified emotions. These worksheets contain highly sensitive information, and so it is recommended that you store them within a secure space. This could be in a HIPAA-compliant server or an encrypted, protected software. To use these worksheets in Carepatron, the first thing you need to do is click on the Templates tab on the left. There you can filter by notes and by community to view our entire collection. If you'd like to be more specific, type in the keywords Emotion Faces to find the relevant template. Select Choose Template and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab, where you can edit the information according to your needs, and once satisfied, click Publish to complete.